with our next contestant, contestant number 27. Oops.
Always wanted to go this way.
Ito partner, narinig ko ganun, ding, ding, ding.
Oo.
Nakabili siya ng bagong immortal na